Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today we're talking about how to properly clean and maintain your PPE or personal protective equipment. The particular model we're talking about is our new 3-phase arc shield. These 3-phase units are a hood-mounted shield that you can remove from the hood and then thoroughly clean it. You can also leave it in the hood should it be that you just want to just wipe the inner surfaces. But I've already taken this one out of the hood. There's the Velcro mounting. And now I'm going to remove the face shield from the bracket. There's a lever lock up on the top center. I pull the lever lock back and this removes the shield. Disengage it from the two ends. Now we have the shield and the bracket assembly separated. We're going to clean them both in the same way, and they're designed for this type of cleaning. We've tested 100 cleaning cycles, and it works beautifully, does not degrade the materials. The materials we're going to use for cleaning today: dish soap, water from the sink, and 91% isopropyl alcohol. The cleaning media is going to be a soft cotton rag, one that's going to be used for the soap and water treatment, and the other rag which is going to be used for both patting it dry and for the isopropyl alcohol. First step will be to rinse the product under running water. This will remove any large debris, dust, dirt, grime, etc. Put the dish detergent onto the rag. The rag is already damp, and now clean the product just gently with this damp rag. You can see a little bit of suds developing on the surface. It will not hurt the anti-fog coating that's on the interior when it is the permanent anti-fog coating. Now we're going to rinse this product, and what we're doing is we're taking off that soap and along with it a lot of the debris. All of these mechanisms inside, the latch assemblies, everything, all designed for this type of washing, no issue. Now we're going to pat this dry. And the reason I'm not scrubbing the surface is because if there's any residual dirt, it may cause a scratch to the lens. You notice I'm also not using paper toweling because paper toweling can be too coarse for some plastic parts and cause scratches. Now here we are, a big assembly here. Velcro on the interior, pivots, joints, all of this stuff, no problem for washing. Do it the same exact way. Running water, rinse everything. Again, this is our model 3-phase arc shield. Take the detergent rag, wash it, inside and out. You can see the advantage of working over a sink because you can just let everything run down into the sink. I've washed the assembly. Now I'm going to rinse it. All the grooves, Velcro, pivots, no problem. Inside and out. Pat dry with this rag. And as I previously mentioned, you can just simply remove the shield, or if you want to take the entire assembly out of the hood. Set that to the side, let it to dry. It doesn't have to be completely dry before this next step because the isopropyl alcohol has water in it already. We take this rag, generous amount of isopropyl alcohol, flammable substance, so we have to make sure there's no open flame. It won't damage the product, and we don't need to dry it after we've used the alcohol. The alcohol, as it sits and dries naturally on the product, is doing the sanitizing of this product. Inside and out, all edges and corners, inside and out on the frame. Let that sit and naturally dry, and it'll be sanitized and ready for reassembly. Thank you for watching our series about how to wash and clean your personal protective equipment. Again, we have tested this to 100 wash cycles. We feel that's appropriate for this type of product, and that keeping the product clean and washed like this, you're actually extending the product life of this item.